A good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 17th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one, 9764. I've already written here down. The Sudoku with 3 stars usually has 25 printed digits, but this one has 29. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14 or 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle is I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 3s. There are a lot of 3s, 4 3s. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this second column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 2 should be there. So now 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about? Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Okay. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Well, in this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Need a 3 here or there. Need a 3 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place left for 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. No, yeah, need a 9 there. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9. 9 in this column, last column. 9 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. No. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 and a 9, we already have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 9. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Need a 6 here. How about need a 2 there? Need a 7 there. Come on. Need a 7 there. Need a 5 here. 8. Need a 1 here. The 1 there. Come on. Thinking. 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I'm stuck. 6 and a 7. Need a 6 here. In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the only place left for 6 in this column should be there. So the 7 and the 4 are missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left now in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. Again, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here the same numbers, 4 and the 7. I need a 7 there also. Okay. 4, 7, and need a 2 here or there. 2, 4, and 6. And need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Come on, 2 missing numbers in this column for number. No. Yeah, 2 numbers are left. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 in this. Oh, we already have 3. Then 1, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 7, 4. 7 and a 4. Can be 6. Okay. How about here? 4, 2, 4, 2, and 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the 4, we have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for number 1 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for almost 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. We solve it again. Told you, 0 stars. Faster than 14, 30 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF now, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye.